Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Nest with Ecobee, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Ecobee thermostat is installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, make sure your Google Nest device is set up and linked to your Google account. Open the Ecobee app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in to your Ecobee account if needed. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down to find the option labeled Works with Google. Select this option to initiate the linking process. You will see a list of compatible services. Find and tap on Google Assistant. The app will prompt you to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Ecobee access to your Google account. You may need to sign into your Google account at this stage. Once you've signed in, you may see a permissions screen. Review the permissions required to link your accounts. Click on Allow to proceed with the authorization. Wait a moment for the accounts to connect. After linking, you should receive a confirmation message. Return to the Ecobee app to verify that your Google Nest is linked. You can now use voice commands with your Google Nest to control your Ecobee thermostat. Try saying commands like, "Hey Google, set the temperature to 72 degrees. If everything is set up correctly, your Ecobee thermostat should respond accordingly. For any troubleshooting, revisit the settings menu in the Ecobee app. Ensure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network if issues arise. With these steps, you should have successfully authorized Google Nest with Ecobee. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your thermostat hands-free with Google Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.